This is not a technical video. I will be uploading one soon. As it was a weekend, we went for fishing and tried in 2-3 places and failed. At last, we got some good catch from the Estuary or groove area. I will give you the details in this video. At first, we went to a place called Chapath, which is around 3 to 5 kilometers from Viഴിഞ്ഞം Harbour, Trivandrum. There are a lot of ditches like this, or it can be called as channels of water. These ditches are not man-made and was made by the nature. These are bridges made up of wooden stick, more precisely coconut tree or acacia tree. You need to have good balance while crossing these kinds of bridges. In some areas they put only one wooden bridge, and at this you need to spread your hands for having good balance while walking through the bridge. The depth of the ditch is less but full of sludges. If you fall in that, up to your knee will be full of sludges. At rainy season, these ditches will be full of water and lots of big freshwater fishes will be there. We are expecting something here, but if you have a fishing net, you will get a lot of fishes. We are planning to do fishing using fishing rod and hooks. Let's see what we will get. Also, this area is similar to forest with lots of different kinds of bird sound and all. Yeah, snake will also be there, so while walking make sound, so they will move away from there. You will be more careful while crossing this kind of bridges because some are broken. Second one from the left is broken. I accidentally stepped on it and then only I realized it was broken. I cleverly moved my step to another one and thus escaped. You can hear some local languages here because this is my mother tongue and my mother tongue is Malayalam. So, yeah. When you are going to the places like this, always wear a gumboot. It is much safer from the bites of snake. We didn't wear that one and it was a mistake from our side. Fishing was a failure here, so let's move to another place. This is a place called Adimalathura, which is near to the Estuary. That one is sea and this is freshwater lake. This is a broad lake with good water and lot of fishes. These are the fishing hooks we have used and are slightly bigger in size, and there are no big fishes here, so we used a small single fish hook. This one will work on big fishes. We got one which is a small silopi. We are not planning to kill it because this is very small, so we will leave him back to this lake. You know what is Estuary? It is a place where there will be a sandbank. It is a junction between the lake and a sea. The sandbank will act as a blocker and lake water will not flow to sea. At rainy seasons, the sandbank or estuary will break and water will flow from lake to sea. Since the water is flowing from lake to sea, there will not be any taste of salt in the lake water. There are a lot of fishes here and no one is biting the bait. If you have a fishing net, then you will get a lot of fishes with different sizes. I can see a lot while standing in this bank. Fishing using fishing rod needs a lot of patience. You have to stay calm and quiet for successful fishing.
ചുറ്റിയിരിക്കണം. ഓ, രണ്ടെണ്ണം ഉണ്ട് കേട്ടോ.
In between, we have got one more fish which is the similar size of the previous one. We are not planning to kill them. We will put them in a small pond near to our home. Then they can live there.
ഇതെന്തിനാ? സിലോപ്പിയാണോ? ചെറിയ സിലോപ്പി ഇപ്പം കിട്ടിയതേ ഉള്ളൂ. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. മുള്ളുള്ള മീനാ. ഊരി എടുക്കാനാണ് പാട്. നല്ല ഹുക്കാണ്. ഗ്ലൗസ് ഇട്ടേക്കണ എന്തിനാന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ നാറ്റം അടിക്കുക വണ്ടി. ഭയങ്കര നാറ്റമാണ് മീനിനൊക്കെ. നമ്മൾ വിചാരിക്കും പോലെയൊന്നുമല്ല. രക്ഷപ്പെടാൻ ചാൻസ് ഇല്ല. കൊത്ത് കയറും, നന്നായിട്ട് കയറും, കടിച്ചെടുത്തോളുണ്ട്. സർവേ ചെയ്യില്ല. മൂന്ന് മീനായി. അയ്യോ, ഒരെണ്ണം വെളിയിൽ പോയടാ. എടാ അതിനെ നിർത്ത വെളിയിൽ. ഞാൻ മറ്റേ വലിയ ബക്കറ്റ് ഞാൻ കൊണ്ടുവരാം.
We will transfer those fishes from that small vessel to this big one.
നിൽക്കില്ല, അതുകൊണ്ട് വലിയൊരു ബോട്ടിൽ നമ്മൾ വാങ്ങിച്ച് പിടിച്ചോ. ഞാൻ അടുത്താണ്. ഇത് ഈ ബോട്ടിൽ തന്നെ പോയിന്റ് ചെയ്യണം. ഇങ്ങോട്ട് പിടിച്ചു. ഓക്കെ, അതിനകത്ത് കിടന്നോളൂ.
Next time we will fish from a very big lake near to our home. It contains a lot of big fishes, and the problem is that the lake is very broad and big with good depth. There is a bridge there and we will try to fish from there.
Okay.